What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. They got a brand new sign. Big and bold. I like it. We're going to head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. Alright, I'm checking out the video games, and blue, white, and yellow are 50% off. So we might have some decent buys in here at 50% off. Let's see what we got. Bunch of $8 games that are all $4 now. Black Ops 2 is not bad for $4, I don't think. Not certain there. Ooh. I might get that for myself. I don't know. What do we got here? Lots of 50% off games. Just not what we're looking for. About over here. Yeah, same. I've seen most of these games here already. What about on this side? Oh, these look to be like the newer ones that came out. SSX, that's not bad for $4, I don't think. What else is in here? Shrek, Doom 3. Gran Turismo 6. That might not be too bad. What else is in here? Chicken Little. Ooh, Mario Sonic, the Olympic Games. $8, it's a little high. Super Monkey Ball for $4. That could be okay. $4 for a Super Monkey Ball. It feels complete in there too. It's heavy. Alright, what else do we have? A little Monkey Mischief. Never heard of that. Madden, Twilight, Shrek. I don't think any of this other stuff's any good. Okay. Well, we grabbed a couple things. I'm happy with that. Alright, I'm looking at all the baggies here. There's a whole bunch. And I saw this over here for $1.99. Seems like a good deal. There's 2 mystery Disney 100 toys, a Kerwin Frost McDonald's toy, and a something from McDonald's. I can't tell if they're empty or not, though. That's my one issue. I mean, there's some weight to the bag. Do I take a $1.99 gamble and hope we got something cool in here? I don't know. Stick it in the cart. Alright, I'm taking a quick look down the toy aisle, and I found this guy right here. Brand new sealed Spider-Man memory match for $3.99. Let's stick it in the cart because, take a look at this. The rank's a little high, but it will sell for $30. Not bad. I'll make about $17 on it after fees. I'll take it. Alright guys, this is the weirdest puzzle I've ever seen in my entire life. Coronavirus pandemic USA COVID-19. What for $8? I don't even, what? Who would buy that? I guess that's why it's here, right? Alright, so I'm on the other side of the toys, and I thought this was going to be worth something. It's a Three Stooges Yahtzee set. It's brand new, but the box is a little damaged. They're only asking $3. It's not on Amazon, and on eBay, it's only selling for about $15. So after shipping, I don't think it's really going to be worth it. But coming down a little bit, and I found this brand new sealed Smart Mouth game, also not on Amazon, surprisingly. It's $6, but I looked it up on eBay, and take a look at this. These are the solds on eBay. 20 plus 8 shipping, 27, 31, 18 plus 10 shipping, 25 plus 7 shipping. So yeah, there's money here on eBay, surprisingly. So we'll grab it for eBay. So I've been coming down a different aisle over here, and I've been throwing things in the cart that are pretty good, actually. We have this Enchanted Forest game right here. I think I've sold this before. I've definitely seen it before. And it's $2.99, so pretty cheap. You guys can see the price. Pretty solid. The rank's a little high, but it should be okay, so we'll throw that in the cart. I also grabbed this brand new sealed Disney Codenames for $5.99. Take a look at that price. This one's pretty solid. I love finding brand new sealed stuff because I don't have to count the pieces, and it's not fun counting a lot of pieces. We also got a Munchkin card game right here. And this sells pretty well. It's only $1.99, so yeah, this is definitely gonna be something that we gotta count some pieces, but not too bad. And then this right here was sitting with all the board games, a video game, Legends of WrestleMania, for $3.99. This is worth it, so in the cart it goes. I haven't seen Beyblades in so long, and look at this, a Beyblade Burst Evolution. It's a big box for $2.99. I cracked it open, and both the launches are in there, both the Beyblades are in there, and the entire base is in there, so I believe it's complete. I don't think anything else comes in here, so that's pretty awesome. And at $2.99, I'll pop the price up for you guys. This is a total score. while I was showing the Beyblade game, I noticed this over here, which is kind of cool. A pizza party matching game. I think I've sold this before. This is kind of weird also. Peppino the Clown. That looks wild. There's also a vintage Hungry Hungry Hippos right here, and a Barbie Be Creative laptop thing, and a Michiganopoly. Clue Family Guy. Like, there is just so many cool things here. I'm just gonna have to throw them all in the cart, right? We're gonna look them up first. Alright, so I've grabbed a couple more things. I ended up grabbing the Hungry Hungry Hippos, the Pizza Party, and the Clue Family Guy. I just grabbed this Connect 4 launchers. I've sold these a bunch in the past. I can't find this exact deluxe pack, but I've sold the plain one before for like 40 bucks, so I assume this has to be worth it. It's cheap. It's only $2.99. And then I found this. I'm on the fence. There's never been one listed or sold on eBay that I can find. I don't know what Stony Clover is. I guess it's like a women's clothing brand. They make purses and stuff. And this is a special Candyland game made for them. There's nothing on it online anywhere, and it's only $5. I think I'm just gonna throw it up on eBay for like 40, 50 bucks with best offer, and I don't know, hope it sells eventually. I have no clue what to do with this. It's just weird, and I've never seen it, and none have ever been online, and it seems like their brand, they sell a lot of purses. So maybe there's somebody that loves their brand that wants this, or not. I could be completely wrong, but I'm gonna take a $5 gamble on it. All right, the electronics section's pretty poppin' right now. A lot of different stuff. There's a drum set, 20 bucks. But I kind of like this one right here with the cymbals. It's $20. The foot pedal I can sell on Amazon for about $20. This looks like it's Wii or PlayStation. I can't tell. But the cymbals can be removed and sold for decent money, I think. I just don't know if I want to move this entire drum set or not, so I might leave it. Alright, so I decided to look it up just to see how much the cymbals are going for. Normally there's 3 on a drum set. This one only has 2. But taking a look here, these are the solds on eBay, and just the little nuts go for $25. That'll make my money back. The little things on top there. The actual cymbals and the bars themselves, about 100. So yeah, I think I'm gonna grab it. So I got it in the cart. I opened up the battery compartment on it, and it is exploded, so I won't even be selling the drum set. I'm basically going to trash the drum set and just take off the cymbals and sell the kick pedal. And I think if I could sell the cymbals for just under 100 bucks, maybe 80 bucks, and the kick pedal for about 25, I should make about 100 bucks on it. It's worth it at a $20 buy. Alright, I'm looking for any cool hats, and 2 that I found right off the rip for $2.99 each. We got this New York Mets with the baseball that's kind of sticking out. It's pretty cool. Little embroidery right there. But I think it's youth, so I don't know about that 100%. But I did find this cool Yukon 1999 National Champions hat. There's the Final Four, 1999 on the side. They just won again this year. They win like every year, right? I don't know. I don't pay too much attention to basketball, but they're always winning, and I've bought and sold Yukon merch a bunch of times in the past. I think I only have one Yukon t-shirt and nothing else, so, you know, I'll throw this on eBay and see what happens at $2.99. All right, what else do we have over here? Anything cool? There's US Open 2011, no. Jack Skellington. No, here's a brand new with tags Under Armour hat. It's not bad if you're looking for a hat. $7.99. Little golf hat. This might be on Amazon. I'm gonna have to scan this in and see if it's on Amazon. Alright, take a look at this wild hat right here. It's a Monster Jam hat. I have no idea what this is, so we're gonna use Google Lens to see if we could find this. Google Lens, I use the app all the time to help me see what things are. I'm just gonna have to take a quick picture with my camera. There we go, and it found it pretty fast. There it is. It's Dragon Youth Monster Jam. I guess just Dragon Monster Jam. Not bad. We'll check eBay, and then we could do a little more research once we're on eBay. This one's sold for 11 bucks, so 11 plus 4 shipping. Not crazy. We can do a little more research, see if any others have sold for a little more. All right, so here they are on eBay. I searched by lowest to highest. So these are the cheapest ones on eBay right now, 20, 22, 25, and 33. So 20 bucks is the complete cheapest. If I look at solds, only 4 have sold, and this is going from low to high. We're at 11, 18, 25, and 24. So it does sell. I think on average about 20, 25 bucks. So not bad. How much was it? Was it $2 or $3? $2. Yeah, at $2, we're gonna pick it up. This is too cool. These big screen solitaire games always used to sell really well, and they still do. $5.99. Take a look at this. Selling with a pretty good rank for 29 bucks. I'll still make 14 on it. It's going in the cart for sure. Something I found that's really cool, but sadly not worth it. Let me show you guys. Right on top here, where did I see it? Over here. Pokemon Labyrinth. Whenever you see Pokemon, normally it's pretty good, and it looks really awesome, but after fees, it costs $3. I'd only make $8 to $9 before shipping, so maybe $5, $6 when all is said and done. Not worth it to count pieces at that, so I have to leave it behind. It's really, really cool though. I almost got it for myself because I've never played Labyrinth, but I don't need it. All right, here's something that's pretty dang cool. A mosquito repellent, no spray, scent free, a 15-foot zone. How well does it work? I have no idea, but it's only $3.99 brand new. So I looked it up on Amazon. Has a great rank, selling for great money, but I'm restricted. I can't sell it. If it sells for around the same price on eBay or even a couple bucks less, it kind of hurts because after shipping, because to ship this, I think it's under a pound. It is, but it could cost about $6, $7 to ship if it has to go across the country, minus my $4. After fees, I could still make like $6, $7 on it, but I think I'm gonna leave it behind. It's close. It's really close. If I were gonna make 10 profit on it, I'd probably grab it. I'm in the process of checking out, and somebody stole my dragon hat. All right, I wanted to elaborate a little bit more on this dragon hat right here. Yeah, somebody stole it out of my cart while I was shopping. I didn't even realize until I was getting ready to check out that it was gone. I left it right here in the front of the cart just with the Yukon hat. I still have the Yukon hat, but I didn't have this dragon hat anymore. And I've heard of that happening at this thrift store. I've heard of it happening at other thrift stores, and I've never had it happen to me. But you take your eyes off your cart for just a minute and people swarm like vultures, and that's what happened. That's okay. At least it was only a $20, $25 hat. Wasn't something worth hundreds of dollars. But keep your eyes on your own things if you want to walk away with them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.